So, okay guys, welcome dito sa ating video mga boss. Today we're going to talk about mga different tabs na i-explain natin yan. Ito na yung nagawa natin na website. Okay, so start this. So, ito yung HBC Clothing PH na ginawa natin. Basically, this is the home. So, ito yung homepage natin para kung sa Facebook ba, ito yung parang timeline natin, newsfeed. Dito natin makikita yung mga orders natin. So far, wala pa tayong orders kasi nga kailangan pa natin mag-select ng plan kung ano ba yung gagamitin natin. The next one is we're going to add products on this side here. Sa products, inventory, transfer collection, gift cards, pwede na siyang gawin. And of course, dito natin makikita lahat ng mga customers natin. And yung performance sa store, kung ilang bang mga adds to cart, ilang bang sales, ganoon. So, we're going to talk about that soon. And sa marketing, pwede natin gawin to like sa abandon checkout email kasi pag mag-order sa'yo, tapos ano ba yung usually na nilalagay natin dyan. And we can also create discounts here. Okay? And sa apps, pwede natin i-connect yung Facebook and even yung TikTok na pwede natin ilagay dyan, yung sales channel, ito yung online store natin. If you're going to click here, yung parang mata, makikita natin actually yung actual na website. This is the website HBC Clothing PH. As you can see, wala pa siyang enough details kasi nga hindi pa tayo, yun, naka-PH na tayo guys hindi pa siya available because hindi pa tayo naglagay ng mga details. So, we're just gonna talk about that later. And blog post, pwede kayo maglagay ng blog, mga pages, navigation, same with WordPress. Pero again, this Shopify na platform is way much easier using against doon sa WordPress. Pero okay naman din yung WordPress. Pero I like Shopify better. Domains is dito tayo bibili, no? Sinabi ko doon sa previous natin na topic doon sa WordPress na kailangan natin bibilhin yung mga domain name. But the good thing about dito sa Shopify is you don't have to go outside like sa WordPress. Iba sa WordPress is kailangan mo pang pumunta doon sa HostGator, sa GoDaddy, or whatever. Pero this time, hindi na tayo pupunta doon. Okay, mga preferences natin, we're just gonna talk about this later. Hindi naman siya, dito yung ilagay mo yung mga password or mga parang SEO na Google Analytics, yung mga ganun. So, pwede mo siya ilagay ito. Tapos yung homepage title. Anyway, and sa settings, nakalagay ito mga settings, mga shipping details and everything. So, basic lang tayo guys kasi hindi naman kayo mag-set up talaga nito lahat. If you're going to become a Shopify freelancer, you don't have to go all through here, no? Dito, hindi na kayo mostly pupunta pa dito kasi once ang client i-add kayo dito sa Shopify, hindi na kayo gagawa ng mga products or depende kung papagawan kayo yung products. Pero mostly kasi sa Shopify freelancer is all about managing the orders. I'm just gonna talk about that later. So, this is yung rundown lang ng ating tinatawag na dashboard, no? Yung home natin dito sa Shopify. Okay, wait lang. Ito pala. Kailangan kasi natin na to create a plan. Kasi pag walang plan or yung paid, hindi siya gagana. Yung website mo, if you're going to click here again, yung website mo nakalagay hbcclothing-myshopify.com. Diba yung free sa WordPress, if yun naalala nyo, ang free na WordPress ay gumagamit ng .wordpress.com, meaning hbcclothingph.wordpress.com. So Shopify guys is ito yung ginagamit nila, myshopify.com. Okay? Walang client po na gumagamit ng myshopify.com because this is just really basic. Hindi ang client mo hindi talaga 100% gumagamit ito. So, what we are going to do right now is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ba tayo magbili ng domain, no? So, sa next video, we're going to talk about that. We are not going to use the 14 days free trial, guys, kasi nga useless to, di ba? Kasi may 14 days ka, sinabi ito, may 14 days free trial ka, like to customize your website. Pero we're not going to do that kasi nga may experience naman tayo. And being a Shopify freelancer, you need to like do it, no? You need to be like knowledgeable din sa mga tasks na ganito. Okay? So, sa next video natin, we are going to talk about kung paano ba tayo mag-add ng plan. So, see you guys.